This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've opened your Google Sheet and you're ready to search. First, select the range you care about so results stay focused. If you want the whole sheet, skip selection. Next, press Ctrl+F or CMD+F on Mac to open the Find box and type the word or number you need. Use Match Case or Match Entire Cell for precise hits. Once done, press Enter to jump through occurrences and visually inspect each cell before you take action. Now move into a more powerful search. Add a filter from the Data menu and use the small search box in each column to type your term. This instantly limits visible rows. For conditional needs, choose Text Contains, Text Starts With, or Custom Formula like Rejects Match for patterns. If you want live, computed results, create a helper column with equals Rejects Match, I term, or use equals filter, range, condition, or equals query, range. Select asterisk where. These formulas return matching rows you can copy. Finish by reviewing each found or filtered row and then clear filters to restore the sheet. If you need to change values, open Find and replace Ctrl+H. Enter Replace Text and use Replace or Replace All. Always make a copy first for safety. If you don't see expected results, troubleshoot. Hidden characters, extra spaces, or mismatched formats often block matches. Use Trim to remove spaces. Check if cells are formatted as numbers or text, and toggle Reject/Case options to broaden your search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.